Hello everyone and welcome back to another Fantasy 11 prediction video. In this video, we will predict the Fantasy 11 for the match between Sunrisers Hyderabad and Royal Challengers Bangalore. While Royal Challengers Bangalore sit comfortably on the second spot of the table, Sunrisers are trying their best to have some hope to qualify as they struggle at the 7th spot currently. The two teams have met 16 times in IPL before, with Sunrisers winning 8 matches and 1 match ending in a tie. Here is how the Fantasy 11 for this match looks like. AB de Villiers. AB de Villiers has been one of the most important players for Royal Challengers Bangalore for a long time now. Rightfully called the Mr. 360, he can smash the ball all over the park and he looks to be in great touch this season. He has a massive strike rate even into the death overs and he plays really well under pressure. This makes him our first pick. Josh Philippe. Josh Philippe has shown some promise in the previous game while batting explosively alongside Devdutt Padikkal. He helped Royal Challengers Bangalore off to a flying start in the previous game, and this game too he will be looking to bat explosively at the top of the order and score more runs to his team to help his team gain some momentum. This makes him our second pick. Manish Pandey. Manish Pandey has been a dependable middle order batsman for Sunrisers Hyderabad ever since he has joined the franchise. He has big hitting potential and he has played some promising and crucial knocks in the previous games this season. He would be looking to create another massive impact on this game if given a chance. He is an asset to the Sunrisers Hyderabad at the top of the order. This makes him our third pick. David Warner. David Warner has constantly been one of the top scorers in IPL for a few seasons now. His strike rate is massive and he has the ability to single-handedly win games for Sunrisers Hyderabad. He is the first overseas player to cross 5,000 runs in IPL and he plays deadly knocks and wins games for Sunrisers alongside Jonny Bairstow, which makes him the perfect captain of this Fantasy 11 and also our fourth pick. Devdutt Padikkal. The young Devdutt Padikkal has shown a lot of maturity as an opener. His attacking playstyle and his judgment of loose balls makes him a tough batsman to bowl to. He has been in great form this season and in just like the previous match, he will be looking to score more runs to see his team through this game as well. This makes him our fifth pick. Vijay Shankar. Vijay Shankar has been a decent all-rounder for Sunrisers ever since he has joined the squad. He has big hitting ability and he has shown it this season. His economy rate is pretty low for a pace bowler and he will be looking to contain runs for his side and also play some handy knocks with the bat. This makes him our sixth pick. Washington Sundar. Washington Sundar has been a decent bowler for Royal Challengers Bangalore in the recent past. With the team being on winning ways and his economy rate really low, he will be more confident to bowl against the explosive batsmen of Sunrisers Hyderabad. This year, spinners have created massive impact on games as the pitches are slowing down, and Washington Sundar has proved to be an asset to the RCB squad. He will be looking to create an impact on this game alongside Yuzvendra Chahal and seal the match with the ball. This makes him our seventh pick. Chris Morris. Chris Morris showed a glimpse of what he is capable of in the previous games that he has played. His economy rate of just 6.21 this season is amazing and he is swinging the new ball and also looks to be in great rhythm. He can also strike the ball a long way and will thus be a player to be watched out for as he can be a match winner. He has a strike rate of over 200 and has the capability to win games with both the bat and the ball for Royal Challengers Bangalore. He is thus our eighth pick. Rashid Khan. Rashid Khan's unpredictable bowling makes him a massive threat to any batsman. His googlies are deceptive and he is a match winner with the ball. He can also play some destructive cameos in the lower order for his team and this only adds up to his value on this SRH squad. His economy rate this season is just too good and this makes him our ninth pick. T. Natarajan. T. Natarajan has been a good bowler for Sunrisers Hyderabad this season so far. His economy rate is not bad and he already has 13 wickets to his name and he only will be looking to get more wickets this game as well. He looks to be in good rhythm and will be a player to watch out for, and he will be looking to dismiss the power hitters of the RCB squad. This makes him our 10th pick. Yuzvendra Chahal. The Bangalore leggy Yuzvendra Chahal has been the highest wicket taker for RCB this season so far. With 18 wickets to his name already, with an economy rate of just 7.23, he will be a threat to all the batsmen of the SRH squad. His leg spinners will be the ones to watch out for as he has played a massive role in RCB's flourish of wins this season. His ability to be a match winner with the ball makes him our vice captain and also our final pick. These are the 11 players who we believe will impact the game the most. We believe that these players will take the highest fantasy points to their names and will be the most valuable players from both the sides. Who is your favorite pick and who is your most valuable player? Let us know down below.